Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today it's a collective reading. So who you are watching collective reading, I think you know that. How the reading will go, I will pull 3 cards. Based on the 3 cards, the situation or the energies. If at all the situation is matching, you can watch the reading, complete reading. If you think that only one energy is matching, you can still watch that energy. And it is coming in the same reading means definitely the 2 other energies will be presented in your life. One way or other way they are attached to. Okay. So based on the clarifies for the 3 cards, our reading will go on. Okay. So let's get into the reading. Let's put 3 cards. Cards are very fast. Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups, the Devil. So here the energies are the Devil, obsession. Someone is very much obsessed or someone is addicted to something. They may be having some kind of addictions or they are having some obsession over something. At least in the current situation when you are watching this reading. If at all it is matching with you, you may be obsessed with something or someone or some kind of, even it is as simple as workaholic. You may be obsessed with your work. Okay. But more than here, I think based on the cards, other cards, Page of Pentacles. Other card is Page of Pentacles. It is like waiting for some kind of opportunity, new beginning. And that new beginning is, I think this Page of Cups says it is about love opportunity, some kind of new beginning in relationship here I am sensing. And here 2 cards are Page, that means a kid, child energy. More than anything here the child energy is there. And this Devil, obsessed. I cannot say that this child is obsessed over someone or something. We will pull the cards and then we can understand what is this Devil card, about what this obsession is. So here the zodiac signs are, Devil is Capricorn and the Page of Pentacles is Taurus, Virgo, again Capricorn. Page of Cups is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. Okay. Yeah, water, earth, water and the obsession card, Devil card. So let's see the clarifies for the Devil. Who is obsessed, for what they are obsessed. 3 clarifies for the Devil card. 3 clarifies. One more. I think we got 3 of Wands, 3 of Swords, 3 Magician. This 3-party situation, I think. So here the Devil card clarifies 3 of Swords, 3 of Wands, the Magician. I think here some 3-party situation is going on or someone is in the 3rd-party situation. They got heartbroken because of the 3rd-party situation, and I think finally they came out of it. In the past they may be in the 3rd-party situation, but now they came out of the 3rd party and they are completely manifesting something in their life. How much they are manifesting is, their manifestation is getting obsessed. So this obsession card is like manifestation. They are manifesting something in their life obsessively. Their complete focus is on manifesting something. We will find out what is that something. Okay, because here I cannot say what is that, because this person who you are matching, this Devil energy, They dealt with third party situation. They finally came out of it because three of wands in the reverse. They came out of it. The pain is there because three of swords is not in the reverse. It is happened in the past, but now in the present they are not dealing with third party situation. They are completely obsession. It is the manifestation is different thing. We will manifest normally by visualizing, by thinking, by writing, but this person complete obsessive. They are obsessively manifesting something. So this obsession is nothing but manifestation. This manifestation became their addiction, I can say, or from morning to night till they are sleeping. They are even in their sleep sometimes. While they are sleeping also they may be manifesting something. So that's what the manifestation is going on. Even this person know it or not, they are obsessively manifesting something in their life. If at all you are watching, you are matching this devil energy, have control over this manifestation. I don't know what you are manifesting. It is good that you finally came out of third party, but you should have some breaks in the manifestation. You believe in manifestation, it doesn't mean that first time I'm watching that for manifestation also people become obsessive. They can obsessively manifest something. Really. Let's see the outcome for the devil. 3 cards, 3 outcomes for the devil. I think we got 3 cards. Six of wands in the reverse, 7 of swords in the reverse, Hierophant in the reverse. Let's change the wands to wands and swords to swords. So here the outcomes for the devil is 7 of swords. So in the past they got some kind of heartbreak or third party situation. Because of the third party situation they got heartbreak. So why it happened is because of their own manipulation, I can say, or someone manipulated or someone manipulative person is there in that situation, or they dealt with such kind of person. You may be, if at all you are the devil, I think someone in your life they manipulated you, and that is the reason why you got this heartbreak. They, because of their manipulation, because of their lies, because of their cheating kind of thing, or hiding things, or doing things behind your back. Maybe they presented themselves as a very good person, but in the back you came to know about that they are a manipulative person, or they are a liar, they are a cheater. So because of that you got heartbreak. And 3 of wands in the reverse is nothing but they got, that's what, in this situation, because of this heartbreak, finally you understood that this person manipulated you. Because of that you end up with heartbreak. So you finally came out of this third party situation. Anyway, it ended in a, it is like 6 of wands in the reverse. So that means you lost the situation, I can say, or in that situation you felt like you lost the game, or you lost the chance, because 6 of wands is a winner card, winning something. It is in the reverse, the loser, you became loser in that situation. Yeah, that is also one reason. Now you are manifesting, and what you are manifesting is divorce, breakup, because the Hierophant is nothing but a marriage card, stable commitment, long-term commitment. But here the manifestation is happening for, so I think here one manipulation person is there in your life. Because of that manipulative person you got some kind of heartbreak, and you lost something. Maybe you are worked for very long, you may be waiting for something, so you lost that. So you, that is why you feel you lost something, okay, because of that heartbreak. Why it happened is because of this Seven of Swords energy. This thief, I can say, or the manipulative person, they did something. You may be trusted that person, you may be thought that you can trust them, but here they did something behind your back. Because of that, this heartbreak happened, and in that situation you lost whatever you thought that you are going to receive, that success, that abundance, whatever it may be, the result for your hard work. Or you are waiting for something passionately which you lost, you became a loser. Now you are obsessively manifesting this ending, marriage ending, or some kind of stable relationship ending, because it is in the reverse, the Hierophant in the reverse, not in the upright. So this obsession card is nothing but devil. So that is what actually. So they are literally wanting this relationship to end. So whoever this devil energy, knowingly or unknowingly you are doing it, I don't know, but here you are manifesting to end something in your life which is very stable. Like, that is what marriage kind of energy, that I cannot say complete situation. Maybe you married with this manipulative person and they put you in the third party and you became loser in that connection. That is also one reason you don't want to stay with them. Now you want to end this connection. So you are completely obsessively manifesting this ending, this relationship ending in your life. If at all you don't know, take a look what you are manifesting, because here it is happening obsessively. Completely obsessiveness is there, addiction, some kind of addiction is there. Whoever you are, if at all you are obsessively manifesting something, take some time and think thoroughly what you are manifesting. Take a look, because it is happening in a toxic way. That's why I'm telling you, because the devil is nothing but toxicity. Whatever you may be doing, even it is a workaholic, it is a good thing doing work, but not in a toxic way. Here you are manifesting something in a toxic way, and then in that toxic way, what you are manifesting is ending the relationship, ending that marriage. So once take some break and look at the things and think thoroughly, and if you really don't want it, then it's completely depends on you. But here why I am telling you is, this is obsession card. When we are obsessed, we won't think about anything. Our brain is not under our control. Here that is what happening. You want to end this third party, it's a good thing, but take a look, because I don't think we should do it in a obsessive. Okay, take a look whatever you are manifesting. I cannot say complete situation, but here one sneaky person is there. Maybe because of that sneaky person you lost something and you don't want to continue with that relationship with that person. That is also one reason. But there is a ways to do that. It is not the right way, I can say. The devil energy is not the right way. You cannot obsessively manifest something. It will, see, sometimes you are going to lose something precious if at all in this energy, because you even don't know what you are manifesting. It is happening obsessively, continuously, 24/7, I can say. So take some break. If at all you are the devil energy, you are completely dealt with some kind of third party situation. In that person is sneaky person, they did some cheating kind of thing, or they did something to hurt you, and you don't want that relationship anymore, you want to leave that relationship. It is okay, because you don't need to stay with such kind of people, sneaky people. But it doesn't mean that you do things in the wrong way. Here you are approaching the wrong way. We can do it in the right way also. Maybe here you are approaching the wrong way. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, just take some break from the whatever manifestation you are doing. Take some break, think thoroughly, see the things thoroughly, and do it try to do it in the right way. Okay, so let's see the clarifiers for the Page of Pentacles. Who is this Page of Pentacles? 3 clarifiers for Page of Pentacles. this Page of Pentacles is very slow. The Devil is very fast. 3 clarifies. One more. The Emperor, the Lover, the Hermit in the reverse. So here, clarifies for the Page of Pentacles is the Emperor, the Lover and the Hermit in the reverse. I think this Page of Pentacles is expecting something, some kind of new beginning from the Emperor. They may be their father figure or husband or boss, but here I think this Lover's card came out, so maybe it is their spouse or father figure, because lovers can be anyone. It is not that just couples, okay? It can be anyone, lovers who can love you unconditionally. So they may be this Page of Pentacles father figure, this Emperor can be. So this person expecting some kind of new beginning. They can be lovers, they can be father figure, okay? Take the messages based on your situation. If at all you are the Page of Pentacles and you are expecting something, some kind of new beginning from someone who is like your father figure or your spouse. Here I don't want to tell boss because the Lover's card came out. That means love. With boss we won't have love. It is professional. But here it is personal. So anyway, take the messages. So you want some kind of new beginning. Page of Pentacles is expecting some kind of new beginning in the small, at least in the small way, small new beginning from this Emperor. Whether it is in the financial way, financial support, or in the sense of business, it's a small job kind of, which is very small, not stable kind of thing. Page is very small. Something this Page of Pentacles is expecting from this Emperor. They have it is not that it is like they have some kind of, if it is, I want to say 3 situations, okay? If this Page of Pentacles is matching with you, this energy is matching with you, and you are looking for some kind of new beginning or some kind of opportunity or some kind of financial help from someone who is like your father figure or spouse or boss, so then this energy is matching with you, okay? So here this Page of Pentacles is looking for some kind of new beginning. They think that this Emperor is loving them unconditionally, okay? Because it is child, more than anything here I am sensing father and child relationship, because Page is completely child energy. So this father and child relationship, this person is expecting some kind of love, I can say, or the financial help from this Emperor. And I think this Emperor is very much strong, stubborn. We know that Emperors are very bossy, strong, stubborn people. So there may be something happened in between them, because the Lover's card is like having unconditional love. This, see, sometimes our fathers love us unconditionally, but it doesn't mean they will accept each and everything what we do. And so maybe something happened in between this Page of Pentacles and the Emperor. That is also one reason now this Page of Pentacles is expecting some kind of opportunity or something from this Emperor. And I think this person is not ready to give it, the Emperor. We will see by the outcomes. And the Hermit, I cannot say who is this Hermit. It is in the reverse. Someone in this Lovers in a depression. Okay, I cannot say this Page of Pentacles is a Hermit in the reverse. It is completely different energy. Maybe this Page of Pentacles is child energy. The Emperor is father energy. The Hermit in the reverse, these people may be lovers, or they may be in the connection, couple connection. that other person, whomever they are dealing with, this emperor, they are in the depression. Completely, they don't, it is like, hermit is like going within doing your inner work, but this person is not ready to do the inner work. They don't want to accept the reality. That is also one reason they are in depression. When we don't accept the reality, not just in the spiritual sense, in the 3D level also, when we run from the reality, we don't accept the reality, when we fake things, fake our life, then we will get into depression. That is nothing but opening doors to the depression doors. So I think here, one person, whoever this Lovers card, the Lovers is involved, this Emperor and the Hermit, because this is completely child energy. Page of Pentacle is kid. These two people, Emperor is in their power. They are very bossy, stubborn. They don't want to bend, I can say, because they are Emperor. And the Hermit in the reverse, they are completely, whoever they are dealing, they are completely in the depression. Let's see the outcome for the Page of Pentacle. 3 outcomes for the Page of Pentacle. I don't want many cards, only 3 cards. Cards, 2 more cards, I think this is a completely family situation. So here I want to shift these cards because Emperor is upright, so they cannot be King of Swords in the reverse because this person is in their power and it is a father figure. Okay, now we got the clarified. This Page of Pentacle is a kid, child. Maybe these couple have one kid, or at least they may be dealing with some kind of child energy. It is family situation. 10 of Cups came out. So these people are couple, the Emperor and the person who are the lover, involved in this lover. The Hermit in the reverse. So Emperor is in their power. They are King of Cups as a father energy. Maybe this person, whoever Emperor, this Page of Pentacle is kid or child to this Emperor. It is completely a family situation. So here I think this couple, this father figure is in their own power. They are very good father, very good provider, or very loving, caring father. They are in a good energy because King of Cups also. See, Emperor itself is a King of Cups, King of Swords, King of Wands, and King of Pentacle. 4 kings will become an Emperor. Okay, so this person, why King of Cups came out is this person is child. That is a confirmation. Here we did not receive King of Pentacle. If at all it is a Pentacle, this person looking for job opportunity. But here we got King of Cups. That is the difference. So this King of Cups is this Page of Pentacles father. This kid's father. Because King of Cups is completely a father figure. Loving, caring, nurturing father who understands their kid in a loving way. Not in an authoritative way. Okay. So they here, whoever it may be, when I say Emperor, it doesn't mean that only male person. Okay, there can be female also, but in this 2 lovers is like a family. They are couples. They may be having kid, and this Emperor can be female or male, but they are in the completely masculine energy, complete an Emperor. They are a very good father figure. They are taking care of this kid. They are very good at handling the child, I can say. So here other partner is the Hermit in the reverse. There is a reason why they are Hermit in the reverse. As I said initially, they don't want to see the things as they are. They are avoiding the reality, or they don't want to accept the reality. This King of Swords is nothing but unstructured, controlling negative, dark side. King of Swords is a very good card who can have structured, organized life, whether it is in the form of materialistic way or in the form of personal life. They are really very well organized person who can control the things in their way, in the right way, in the positive way. But here, if this person is in the reverse, King of Swords in the reverse, unstructured, they don't know what they are doing in their life. They are not ready to accept the realities. They are not ready to see if something is happening in the situation. Even though this person is wrong, they are not ready to accept that they are wrong. If at all it is King of Swords in the upright, this person is ready to see the truth, accept the truth. They are honest, they are blunt. It is in the reverse. This person is not honest. This person is not honest. They are not trustworthy. They are unstructured, unorganized. Even though they know that in the situation, especially here, the family situation, this couple had some kind of disturbance, I can say, because of other partner. Because one partner is completely in their power. They are fulfilling their responsibilities as they need to fulfill as a good father figure. Okay, even though they are a female also, they may be in the masculine energy, they are fulfilling their responsibilities in a good way. But when it comes to other partner, they are not ready to see the things clearly. They are not ready to accept the truth. They are not ready to be honest in that connection. They are simply misusing their power, because King of Swords in the reverse is having some kind of controlling power, but misusing that controlling power in a wrong way. And I think why this Hermit in the reverse is, this Emperor is very strong, and this is only King of Swords. As I said, Emperor hold 4 kings, but here only King of Swords. Maybe in this relationship, one person is very good. They are taking care of everything. They are fulfilling their needs, especially about this family and this kid related needs. They are fulfilling in the right way. It is like they are taking their responsibilities. They understood their responsibilities and they are fulfilling their responsibilities. But when it comes to other partner who is like King of Swords, I think here that is the reason why we got the Lovers card, because these two people are in the connection, but they both are in the masculine energy. They are not masculine and feminine energy, because we know that couples means one masculine, one feminine. But here the Lovers card came out, that means both are masculine energy. That's what I say. Lovers means anyone, energies. Okay. So here, other person also completely in the masculine energy. They don't want to see the truth. They don't want to be honest in that connection or in that family situation. Because of that, they end up in this depression. Because they are not ready to do anything. In the family situation, 10 of Cups means very happy, beautiful family. In that, everyone should be trustworthy, honest. Everyone should have their responsibility. Everyone should be accountable for that responsibility. Even kids. Even when it comes to 10 of Cups, it doesn't mean that only couples. Even kids should have their own responsibility, their own accountability. If they did something wrong, they should be accountable for that mistake, no matter how small it may be. But here, one partner is completely untrustworthy, unstructured. They don't even know how to handle the things. Different. It is a different thing. How to handle the things is different. They don't even know how to handle themselves, because King of Swords is, first we need to be structured. We need to be organized as a person, as a human being, as an independent person. We need to be structured, organized. Then only we can bring that structure into the situations wherever we are dealing. Whether it is in the professional matters, whether it is in the family matters. When we are structured, when we are organized, when we are accountable, when we are honest, then only we can bring all those things into the situation. But here, this person themselves as an individual, they are not structured. This person don't know what is structured, what is organized. As a human being, as an independent human being, what is that structure, what is that organized? It is not, when I am telling structure, organized, it is not regarding about the company or the professional life. As a human being, we need need to be have that structure, following some kind of. We as a human, when we wake up till our sleep, we do some kind of things. That routine, that should be in a structure. When you have that kind of routine, that kind of healthy lifestyle, that is nothing but we are structured, we are organized. If some people will be have, even we see that we don't know what they do in their life, we don't know what they are going, where they are going, what they are doing. They live false life, they fake everything, they fake, they tell lies, they won't be honest with anyone including themselves. That is nothing but unstructured. They themselves unstructured. So wherever they go, they will bring that unstructured and unorganized behavior in that situation. Maybe in this family situation, this person, one partner is completely ruining this family situation. And I think this Page of Pentacles is a kid energy. That kid wants this happiness. That kid, this Page of Pentacles, whoever that kid wants this happy life, happy Ten of Cups family. And here one person is completely in their power, one partner is completely in the depression mode and unstructured, as I said. So let's see the Page of Cups. Clarifies for Page of Cups. 3 clarifies for Page of Cups. Yes, we got 3. Today's reading is completely different. So here Page of Cups also a kid energy, child energy. They are looking for love. They want love. As we as we see here, Page of Pentacles is looking for love. This happy family. This kid is looking for that new love, I can say, or that loving. In their life they want some love. And I think this kid is feeling like abandoned or orphan. 5 of Pentacles. And whomever they are dealing in, that one is star, one is fool. One is shining like a star. They may be a healer, or they may be having some kind of fame, or just they may be working somewhere, or the person is very attractive, very abundant, where people attracted by their beauty. And one person is a fool energy. They don't know where they are going. They don't want any kind of responsibilities. They don't want to deal with anything. They want to let go of all the past things. They don't want to keep any kind of past baggages. They don't want any kind of baggages, mostly attachments. They simply want to do, or they want to take some kind of adventure in their life. And here someone is completely feeling abandoned or left out in the cold. I think this Page of Cups is feeling abandoned, because these two energies are different than this energy. This kid is feeling, whoever they may be, when I said kid, it doesn't mean that they are kid, okay? Their energy is like a child energy. Whether it is really child is involved, or at least the person, whomever, that person is inner child. That person's inner child, or that person itself is like a child, okay? So this kid wants some love in their life, but here two people are not in a love. One is completely in their own stardom, star card is like a in their own way, and one, the fool, is in their own way. These two people are completely in their own ways, and this kid wants some new love in their life, because Page of Cups is completely new, fresh love in their life. This kid feeling Five of Pentacle energy, left out in the cold. Let's see the outcome for this Page of Cups. Outcome for this Page of Cups. One more. Only one. One more outcome. So here outcome for the Page of Cups is, here for Star card, Knight of Pentacle, Five of Pentacle, it is Three of Pentacles in the reverse, and the Fool card, the Chariot. So here I think in this situation, this Page of Cups looking for some love in their life. They want that emotion, feeling, love in their life, because they have these abandonment issues, or they currently feeling like abandoned. They don't have anyone in their life who can give that, show that love, compassion kind of energies. Okay, they don't have anyone. Even though they may be having people, they are not feeling this love emotions from that people. Okay, that is also one reason they are feeling like abandoned, no matter who maybe they may be, whoever they may be. And this person is, they need some kind of teamwork to come out of this Five of Pentacles energy, and this person not finding any kind of help from anyone, because Three of Pentacles is a teamwork. They need to take some help from others, and Five of Pentacles is nothing but abandonment, feeling like an orphan. They need someone to come and help them to come out of that energy. They need that team, I can say, or people who can support them to come out of this energy. So they don't have that team people, or they don't have that support in their life. Whoever they may be, whether they are really a kid, as I said, whether they may be a really a kid or they are in the kid energy. Okay, who is feeling like orphan kid, who don't have emotions, feelings in their life. They are looking for, they are eagerly waiting for that kind of emotions, feelings in their life. And here one is the Star card, one is the Fool card. So here two people are there. As I said, one is Star, means they may be very attractive, they may be having a lot of opportunities around them, they are shining like a star. So this person looking for some kind of stable opportunity. Knight of Pentacle is nothing but looking for some kind of stable, trustworthy, honest opportunity which can be trusted. Okay, this person already surrounded by so many opportunities. It is not that they are lack of opportunities. It is a Star card, completely some kind of healing energy, or some kind of fame, some kind of recognition. More than recognition, I think this person is a very attractive person. They may be surrounded by so many people around them who can offer different opportunities for them, but this person looking for some kind of stable opportunity, Knight of Pentacle is very honest, loyal, stable opportunity, which is long term. Okay, not like one night stand fling kind of thing. See, if at all it is a relationship, one night stand fling. If at all it is a business, like small businesses or small jobs, part-time jobs, or just for what it is called contractual basis kind of thing. They are looking for some kind of permanent, stable job. Okay, if at all it is work related matters, they are not looking for contract basis kind of work. They are looking for stable job, stable opportunity where they can go for a long time. And here the Fool energy, as I said, they don't want to take any kind of responsibilities, they don't want to hold any kind of past baggages, they left everything in the past, they want to start their life in a new way with zero. Okay, zero. Whatever happened in their past, they don't want to count that past in the present life. Okay, the Fool card, zero, means it doesn't mean that they just born. It may be there in their life, there may be past, but as of now, this person's energy is they don't want to take all those baggages with them. They want to leave that past in the past. They want to start their life with zero, as a newborn baby, that new life without any baggages. They want to see where things will lead them, where life will take them. So I think this person is going to meet their soulmate, because the Chariot card is soulmate card. This person moving towards their life, feeling like an adventurous journey without keeping anything in their brain, in their heart, with purity. They are moving towards, or I can say just leaving everything behind. There is no worry about the future. There is no sadness about the past. They are living in the moment, and this person is going to meet their soulmate. The Chariot, this person, maybe know it or not, someone is coming towards them as a Chariot energy. This person also very balanced person, or they are very much balanced with their in energy, that is nothing but masculine and feminine energies. They have everything under their control, or their shit is together. They know how to handle the things, they know how to control their life. Their life is under their control. Okay, no one is controlling them. They can move anywhere. They can see the difference between the Fool and the Chariot is both people are free from controlling. No one can control them. Both have that freedom, free spirited nature. But the thing is, here the Fool, we cannot say they are balanced or not. But here the Chariot is well balanced person. They balance it with their feminine energy and balance it with their masculine. So they know how to handle the situations. This Fool, we cannot say. If something comes, they need to learn with that experience. But here the Chariot, they already have a lot of wisdom, knowledge. That is also one reason they gain this balance. So I think here, I cannot say Page of Cups, how they related to the Star and the Fool card. So let's conclude the reading here. Three energies, as I said initially. One is Devil, Page of Pentacle and Page of Cups. If at all you think any of one of energy is matching with you, you can watch it, because anyway I am keeping timestamps. So based on that you can select that energy. Okay. But I think here these three energies are connected with each other. Okay, it is same people. So here the Devil energy, the Devil is nothing but, obsession is nothing but manifestation. I don't know why this person became that obsessed about their manifestation. They are simply manifesting closing some kind of stable opportunity or stable relationship. More than opportunity, maybe it is relationship. Why I said relationship is Three of Swords came out. So maybe it is a third part situation. One person is completely manipulative. So there it is like that manipulation came out. They came to know about the manipulations, lies, cheatings. So they got heartbreak. In the situation, this person felt like they lost everything, or they whatever they dreamed of success, because Three of Wands is waiting, patiently waiting for some kind of success, whatever hard work they may be done. But here, because of this manipulation, because of this Three of Swords energy, this person lost all that success, I can say, or the result, and they finally felt in this situation as a loser. And here they are completely obsessively, they are manifesting to end this relationship. It is completely fatal. It is a relationship, they want to end this relationship. If fatal, it is any kind of stable job opportunity. More than job, I am sensing it is a relationship. Okay, maybe this relationship is very toxic. Why? Because this person is very sneaky. One person is very sneaky person, very manipulative person. Maybe that relationship become very toxic to them. That is also one reason. This person completely obsessively, they even don't know that they are manifesting it in a toxic way. We can manifest in the positive way also, but here this person is completely manifesting it in a toxic way because of this failures, I can say, more than anything, because of this heartbreak, because of these failures. Because this person, very patient person, maybe because of this heartbreak they lost that complete patience, because they lost that success, whatever success they may be waiting for, they lost that success and they felt like a loser. So that is also one reason. Feeling loser is nothing but one kind of negative energy. Failure, loser is nothing but some kind of negative energy. Because of that negative energy, this person obsessively manifesting this ending in that relationship or stable connection. Okay. And here the other card is Page of Pentacles. I cannot say which way this can be related. If at all you think that this devil is matching with you, then you can check which way this Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups is matching with you. Because here the Page of Pentacles, Page of Cups completely child energy. Nothing to, here it is a devil card is completely matured energy, or at least one matured energy, because the winner card also matured, the Hierophant also like a matured person. Okay, so here the child energy, Page of Pentacles is child energy. This child want this Ten of Cups family, this happy family life. But I think here whomever they are dealing, maybe these partners, the lovers, whoever they may be, they are completely different from each other. The one person is completely in their responsibilities, but one person is completely out of their responsibilities. They are misusing, I can say, or they themselves is unstructured. They need to do a lot of inner work to gain that structure, gain that responsibility more than anything. Because here one person is very much responsible. This father figure is very responsible. But here the other partner, here I cannot say who is father figure, who is mother figure, because we got Lovers card and two energies are in the masculine energies. They both are in the masculine energies. That is also one reason. If at all you are the Emperor, then you can take other person is your partner. Okay. If at all you are the person who is dealing with depression, then the Emperor is your spouse. Okay. So this child wants this happy family. And Page of Cups also, they want some kind of love, feelings, emotions in their life, because this Page of Cups, whoever that kid is feeling orphan. They don't have any love in their life, or they don't have anyone to take care of them. At least, see, it doesn't mean they are really an orphan. They may be having lot of people, but in that situation, wherever they are not feeling that love and emotion. Okay, they will be having very big, huge family. But this person, whoever this Page of Cups, as of now, in the present situation, they are not feeling any love in that situation. They are feeling like orphan. No one is caring for them. No one is showing emotions, feelings for them. And this person wants some kind of teamwork. Nothing but See, teamwork is nothing. If this is really a kid, this is the same kid here, they want some kind of love, emotion in their life. This kid need that two parents should work together. Here the teamwork is not there. That is also one reason. The lack of the teamwork this kid is feeling for a Five of Pentacle energy, nothing but orphan, left out in the cold, alone, completely lonely, not alone, completely lonely, completely abandoned. See, if at all it is a really kid, listen to me, if at all it is a really kid, it is some kind of family situation, take care of your kid, because it is catching up with abandonment issues. If it is really a kid, they are catching up with loneliness, abandonment issues, some kind of childhood issues. So take care of it. Here in the situation, for this kid to come out of this Five of Pentacle, there's some teamwork is needed. The teamwork is nothing but their parents. If at all it is a really kid, the parents should work together so that they can give that love and care to that kid. If at all it is some person who is mature but they are inner child, it is feeling like abandonment issues, and then also you need to become your own parent, because if at all you are above 18, this situation is matching that you are an above 18 person and you are feeling like you are abandoned or you are not having love, care in your life. Instead of looking for that love, care from others, you should parent yourself. If at all it is in inner child, this energy is whoever matching with this energy. If at all you are 18 years above, only can watch these readings. So if at all 18 years old but you are still feeling abandonment issues, you feel that no one is there to take care of you, you are feeling lonely, you want love, emotions, affection in your life, then instead of looking for that love, emotion, affection from the outside world, it is time to become your own parent. Okay, you should learn how to parent your inner child. Okay, you will find in the Google, there you will find tools, tips to parent your inner child. If at all this complete reading one mature person is watching and you think that this situation is completely related to you and this is your kid, then listen to me carefully. Your kid is catching up with abandonment issues. They are feeling lonely. That is nothing but monophobic. They are becoming monophobic. So take care of that kid. They are building up with some kind of childhood issues, childhood wounds. So it is high time for you to take care of this kid, if at all it is really a kid. Because kids cannot parent themselves. It is our responsibility as an elders. Because why I said is, here two people are again, one person is completely in their own energy. They are looking for one kind of stable opportunity. They want to be in the limelight, or they are in the limelight. They have a lot of opportunities. But I think this person is looking for some kind of stable opportunity. And one person is completely out of all their responsibilities and they want to meet their soulmate. Or at least they are looking for some person in their life. Maybe they are looking or not, they are going to meet their soulmate. Okay, because the Chariot card also free, independent card, the Fool card also free, independent card. Okay, but here one kid, if at all it is a kid, take care of your kid. If it is 18 plus above, then become your own parent. No one can become parent to you. It is our responsibility. Below 18, our parents will take care, our elders will take care of us. But above 18, it is our responsibility to fix ourselves. Okay, that's what I said. There you will find some parenting skills, how to parent ourselves. There you can find the tips and tools. You can parent yourself. You don't need someone to come and parent you. But here I think completely, if at all we see this spread in the family situation, someone is completely manifesting divorce kind of thing or ending of relationship, stable relationship, and one kid is involved or two kids are involved in this situation. One kid want happy family life because if at all two, one is want happy family life, one is completely feeling abandoned. If it is same kid, because here I cannot say different energies because this is also page, this is also page. Either one kid, two kids, but kid energy in either inner child energies, inner childs are really a kid. Okay. If you think that one energy is matching with you, take a look. Other energies are also going to match you. Okay. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in the description box.